Very good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the classroom, psychology classroom. I hope you all are revising and giving your best for your examination. So I hope you all are studying properly. Keep revising, children. Okay? Firstly, I should provide you the detail. So the date. Date today is 13, 12, 21. Class 11C. Subject psychology. Yes, children, we are in the December month. We are in the end of this year, and I hope you all have learned something from this year and bring some of the good changes in yourself in the coming year. So, we are doing the revisions, children. In terms of the revision, I am discussing with you the chapter Human Development. We are discussing with you the chapter Human Development. In this chapter, Human Development, I revise with you what are the different stages of the human development. And I told you that in the next video I am going to discuss with you all the stages in detail. So firstly, let's start with the infancy stage. Okay, no, so sorry. The first stage which we have to discuss about is not infancy, it is prenatal stage. Prenatal stage is a period from that begins from conception to birth. It is a period from conception to birth. As the mother conceived the child, that period, the prenatal stage begins from there. This is the stage when the child is in the womb of a mother. It is a period from conception to birth. Child is completely dependent on mother. Completely dependent on mother. कंप्लीटली डिपेंडेंट होता है चाइल्ड मदर पे इस स्टेज में. ओके whatever the things the mother intake, all have the effect on the child. If the mother is in any kind of stress, is in any kind of tension, that also affect the child. That is why it is said to be that the mother should not take any kind of substance, any kind of additives which affect the health of the child. So it is very important for the mother that they have to look after them and they have to take care of so many things. There is a word teratogens which is given in your book, teratogens. Teratogens are those agents which affect the mother, like some of the things. Teratogens like you can say that and harmful things for the mother, which a mother should avoid. Any kind of radiation that should be avoided because that also affect the child. Mother should avoid the maximum use of, try to avoid the maximum use of X-rays and ultrasounds. ओके, जहाँ तक कोशिश हो सकती है नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि rays are harmful for the child. The mother should not take any kind of addictive substances like alcohol, smoking, okay, any kind of harmful beverages or food items should not be taken because that also affect the child. So child in this stage is completely dependent on mother, and mother, what the mother is taking, that matters a lot for the child. After the prenatal stage, the next stage which comes is infancy stage. Infancy stage is a period from 0 to 2 years. Basically from birth to 2 years. Up to the 2 years, the child is considered to be the infant. उसे हम child बोलते ही नहीं हैं, that is known as infant. वो infants होते हैं. Infants also show so many kind of development. So what are the development which we are going to discuss about infants are, firstly we are going to discuss about the sensory motor development. Sensory development, motor development, ठीक है. इन्फेंट्स के सेंसरी डेवलपमेंट क्या होते हैं, मोटर डेवलपमेंट क्या होता है, ठीक है. These all you have to understand. इन्फेंसी में कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट क्या है बच्चे का, कॉग्निटिव, देन सोशियो इमोशनल. So these 4 kind of development we all have to discuss in the infancy stage. When we are talking about sensory development, so sensory, always we talk about the 2 things, one is visual and another is auditory. The 2 kind of development we are going to discuss about, that is visual and auditory. So I hope you all have written down and writing the important points. आप सभी लिख रहे होंगे. Now coming to the visual. Visual means the ability to see. Okay. The visual means ability to see. So it has been found that infancy में तो up to the 6 month of age adult vision नहीं आता है. But when the child is about 1 year, I think up to the 6 month the child is having an adult vision. Initially नहीं होते, but after when the child is about the 6 month और तो adult vision आ जाते हैं. Then auditory, if I talk about the auditory development, auditory sensory development, so localization of the voice is developed very after some time, but initially the child is able to recognize his or her mother voice, and as the child takes birth, it has been found that child is able to understand his or her mother voice. मदर की वॉइस वो पहचान लेते हैं. फिर लेटर ऑन they are able to differentiate between the mother voice and other voice. Okay, and they are slowly have a develop an ability to understand the different whose voice is of father, mother, grandmother, grandfather. Okay, so in this way the visual and auditory development take place. Okay, next is the cognitive development. Okay, before cognitive development we are going to understand about the motor development also. So if I am talking with you about the motor development, so in terms of the motor development, it has been found that the newborn is not as helpless as you think. Okay, there was a phrase which is written in your book also. It means that they are born with some reflex action. Okay, like for example, if they require something, they tried a lot and they know how to call for their needs. ठीक है. So फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट ऐसे ही होते हैं इन्फेंसी में. मोटर डेवलपमेंट, ये वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मोटर डेवलपमेंट. सो सम ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्सेस आर प्रेजेंटेड इन द न्यूबॉर्न बेबी. So like reflexes, what are the reflexes? Like Moro, rooting, Gratz, Babinstein. So these are some of the reflexes which are present in the newborn baby. Gratz means when you put your finger to their, they hold it. ओके, आप अगर फिंगर ले जाते हैं उनके हाथ के पास तो वो उसे होल्ड कर लेते हैं, तो दैट इज अ ग्रैब. नॉट ओनली फिंगर, एनी ऑब्जेक्ट यू टेक इट. ओके, सो सिमिलरली दीज आर द रिफ्लेक्सेस. दीज आर सम ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्सेस विच आर प्रेजेंट इन द न्यूबॉर्न बेबी. लाइक व्हेन यू टिंगल इन देयर फीट, दे पुट इट टुवर्ड इनवर्ड. ओके, एंड सो and when you make your finger toward the mouth of the child, they open their mouth. Okay, so these are some of the reflexes which are present in the newborn baby. So sensory development we discuss. Motor. Cognitive development, yes, at cognitive development the basically in order to study the cognitive development, how the cognitions yani means the mental processes are developing in the child, that very much study was done by the Jean Piaget. Jean Piaget is the name of a psychologist who has done a study in this one. Jean Piaget. And he has given and discussed about different stages of development. He has given different stages of development, cognitive development. Sensory motor, प्री ऑपरेशनल, ठीक है, देन concrete operational, and then formal operational. So in this way the 4 stages was given by the Jean Piaget. Understood? Please note down these points, then we move forward. I hope you have written it. So let's discuss about the cognitive development during infancy. So in cognitive development, the name which is famous is Jean Piaget, and sometime his theory is named by Piaget theory of cognitive development. Okay, Jean Piaget. Now Jean Piaget has given the 4 stages. The first is sensory motor, the second is pre-operational, sensing motor stage, pre-operational stage, third concrete operational, and fourth is formal operational. Jean Piaget talked about these 4 kind of stage, and in infancy the child is in the stage of sensory motor. And what is the meaning of sensory motor stage? Means sensory or motor development hota hai, the sensory and motor development is taking place at that period. So we are talking about this one only. Sensory motor development is taking place at that time. So we are mainly focused on that thing only. Now sensory motor. In sensory motor development, the child do not develop the concept of object permanence. Object permanence is a phenomena which you will find out during infancy. Object permanence. So the child is not develop this concept. ये concept develop नहीं हुआ होता है. Object permanence का concept develop नहीं हुआ रहता है during infancy. There is a term in infancy, means what is out of sight is out of mind. जो सामने से हट गया वो यहाँ से भी हट गया, माइंड से भी हट गया. तो ऑब्जेक्ट परमानेंट है, इसकी कंसेप्ट जो है अप टू द 2 years इज नॉट डेवलप इन द चाइल्ड. Child is playing with the toys. When you remove it, the child is not about to go to search for it. Okay. But the concept of object permanent develop, and that is developed during pre-operational stage. In pre-operational stage, when the child is in the stage of childhood period, okay, in the early childhood, which is about 2 to 5 years, the child develops the concept of object permanent. Okay? So we understood the cognitive development during infancy. Now move toward to the socio-emotional development. What is the socio-emotional development, which is the final development which we had to study about during infancy? Infancy stage, the development which we are talking about is socio-emotional. If we are talking about socio-emotional development, just like Jean Piaget have done a work, firstly I should write down. As Jean Piaget has done work on cognitive development, in terms of the socio-emotional development, in order to understand the socio-emotional development, the person who is responsible is Erik Erikson. इनका वर्क रहा है सोशियो इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट को समझने में. Here you will find out, in understanding the social emotional development, you will find out the attachment theory, which is given by Harlow. Attachment theory है एक यहाँ जिसे हार्लो ने दिया है. What is that attachment theory? हार्लो ने क्या attachment theory दी है? Harlow has said that he talks about the comfort. In the attachment word, in this theory, the main important point is the comfort. The point which you are going to discuss is comfort. Okay? Note down these points. Now, what is the meaning of comfort? हार्लो ने कहा कि the child, from where the child is getting the comfort, the child get attached to one. Child को, बच्चे को, infants को जहाँ से लगता है कि that is the comfort zone for me, वो उससे attach हो जाता है. In order to prove this statement, he has done an experiment on baby monkeys. Now what happened, as the monkey takes birth, they separated the baby monkey from their mother and they provide them a surrogate mother. And that surrogate mother, he has done, one is made up of cloth and one is made up of wire. Now it has been found that obviously you also understand that which is more comfortable, is it cloth or wire? So obviously it is cloth, and that is the same thing has happened. The child, the infants, the baby monkeys are closely attached with the cloth mother than the wire mother, because they are not getting comfort from the wire mother. So they are not getting attached also. So from this experiment, Harlow proved the attachment theory, which is related to the comfort. Now, Erik Erikson has given the theory socio-emotional development, and according to his theory, the infancy में, जैसे just like Jean Piaget ने कहा कि infants जो होते हैं वो sensory motor stage में होते हैं, Erik Erikson told that in terms of the socio-emotional development, the child is in the stage of trust versus mistrust. Trust versus mistrust पे होते हैं. उनका ये मानना था कि अगर यहाँ से बच्चे को अटैचमेंट मिलती है, जिससे भी बच्चे को एक केयर मिलता है, अटेंशन मिलता है, अटैचमेंट मिलती है, तो चाइल्ड डेवलप अ फीलिंग ऑफ ट्रस्ट, और अगर वो नहीं मिलता तो चाइल्ड डेवलप अ फीलिंग ऑफ मिसट्रस्ट. So here in this video I discussed with you infancy stage in detail, and I already discussed, but it's a kind of revision. So I hope you all are doing revision with me. Thank you so much, children.